Just been setting up my new smartwatch. It's by a company called Gandley. Comes nicely boxed up. There's a protective cover that is on the watch. You've got a USB clamp charge, and with this one you can see you've got some pins and at the back of the watch. So basically all you do is turn it like that, clamp it, plug it into the USB and it will charge up. It comes charged, but I recharged it up, took about 25 minutes and it's fully charged. Instruction book, so you've got a QR code on the watch and there's a QR code here. And basically the app's called Going Fit. The app's really nice. I'll put some screenshots of bits and pieces. What I like with the app is you can have different screen faces. So I've actually chosen this one, which is nice. Right, so as you can see, you've got all different motion, compass, altitude, tools. And then if you press that again, side scroll, blood pressure, notifications. I've got a bill, great, that's nice. Alright, and then let's press it again, like that. And then side scroll, that's the app I was on about. So it's got quite a lot of functions, this. Theme, weather, steps, so great for sports. Compass, yeah, it's got a built-in compass, that's really cool, that is. So overall, it does a lot. It's got a lot of notifications that you can have. So if you're a busy person and you want your Facebook and YouTube and WeChat and all your emails and all that sort of stuff coming in, it will notify you. You can have it vibrate once, or you can set it to vibrate 3 times. Another thing I like with this watch is the strap. Can you see these little silver pins? Just slide and it will take the watch strap off and you can replace the watch strap. Another little thing I like with these sort of watches is if you deep press on the side top key, you can actually turn it off at night. So you won't be thinking I've left it on all night, you can actually turn it off if you so wish. Weight wise, it's not heavy, it's not light. Nice and chunky. It looks great on the watch. The watch looks great on your wrist. Get my words out today. But I think for the money, I think this is exceptional quality. I'll put the Amazon link on the video so you can, if you choose to buy it, know exactly where to buy it from. But it does look pretty stunning. I think it's really nice, and like I say, you can change the look of the watch strap. Also, it's got background themes that you might notice. Also, remote capture, control your music, find your iPhone. So I think for the money, this is really one lovely, beautiful watch. The outer ring does not move; it's more for look. But it looks great, you know, like I say, I think for the money, this is definitely a very nice smartwatch, and I've definitely tested a lot of different smartwatches in the last year, and I think this is definitely up there with the rest of the top ones, but very nice, well made, and it's got a lot of functionality. And that's it really, thanks for watching my video.